You always have to give your 100% because if you don't, someone, someplace will give 100% and will beat you when you meet. Let's just be straight that starting a day with 100% is not an easy task. Here is how the world might look over the course of a year if we only gave it 99%, which are not that bad, rather than the full 100%. 12 newborns would be given to the wrong parents each day. 8,322 pieces of emails would be mishandled per hour. 2.5 million books would be shipped with wrong covers. Every day, two planes landing at Chicago's O'Hare airports would be unsafe. 315 entries in Webster's dictionary would be misspelled. 5.5 million cases of soft drinks proceed would be flat. 291 peacemaker operations would be performed incorrectly. 3,056 copies of the Wall Street Journal would be missing one of three sections. Aren't they crazy? Fortunately, there is a process of 6 steps we can follow to start our day at 100%. Point number 1. Start the day early. Most of the successful people start their day early and have done lots of their work in early hours of the day. We know it seems a bit insane to be getting up 4 am, but this is by far the most productive time. Most of the time, you get more done in those hours than all day. You may not much excited about waking up early, but even by getting to work 1 hour early, imagine how much more productive you could be and the momentum you could bring to daily routine. Point number 2. Maintain a to-do list. To-do list is something that will keep you on track. You are not spending your day organically or in a robotic way. You have well planned and spend your precious time where you really want to spend it. Point number 3. Make a habit of read something positive. Read something that you can relate to your situation will give you a new direction to solve your problem and sometimes motivating you to go one step further. Point number 4. Get your most challenging task first. Whatever task the most time, gives you the most heartache and requires the most of your energy, do it first. And do it now. Get it out the way so you can move on. Point number 5. Speak more to those you admire. Try to stay away from the people you don't like. They will drain your energy and distract from doing what you need to do. I know it's not nice, but it's true. Instead, make a list of the top 10 or 20 people you know who inspire you and charge you with positive energy. Stay in contact with them. Often ask their advice. Offer them yours. Just respect their time. You don't want to be the one who makes them cringe. Positive energy is contagious. Catch it whenever you can. Get the time to do something fun. Give something to do what you want to do or you really enjoy to do, because the other name of life is time and the day we spend is part of the time. Don't forget, the past is an interpretation, the future is an illusion. Put the past and the future out of your mind and remain within the present moment. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.